guys, so we're on the mountain of Naphtali. Here's Jordan. It's awesome. We just finished eating here in a pizzeria in Israel.
Wait, I was back at 12:50.
12:50.
Oh, okay.
Just want to go to the music store, play some guitar, you know, just jam a little bit. There's Matthew.
What's up? He's like putting the drum set. Yeah.
No. Yo guys, so we're just hiking and we're not wearing the right hiking shoes. Yo guys, what's going on? We're here in the Jordan River and we're just kayaking or rafting, as you would say. And oh shit, yo.
No, they're coming back from some reason.
Really cold water. But
yeah, all those plants in Kala, they're מצחיק. Oh, they were always splashing and fighting and shit.
yeah, there were a bunch of guys that were just splashing us like crazy. There's Matthew in the back, Alan in the front, and
Ain't nothing but a peanut.
ain't nothing but a peanut. Just like that, yo.
Ow, wow, wee, wow, wow. Oh god, oh god, oh god.
I'm just resting here in the center.
It's good, it's good, it's good.
Taking
No,
a
now we're
break.
gonna bump. Now we're gonna bump. Now it's not good
Oh
anymore.
shoot. Alright guys, we just got a new passenger on board. He's gonna go through the waterfall.
Holy shit. Let's speed up! Yo, speed up!
Here we are guys. Yo, it's legit. Dude, the bag didn't even get wet.
I thought it would be like deeper than that. Is there another waterfall?
Yo guys, check this out.
Is there another waterfall?
That was awesome, bro.
That was awesome. Zehaya, skip! We should do it again though. We should do it this time.
In English, you say cheese, in Hebrew.
That was nice.
So sweet.
Yeah.
I think we take the alcohol.
Yeah.
It's like juice. Like fruit juice, yeah.
Can I get more?
You don't like it?
Passion fruit wine. Smells amazing.
Bubble tea.
Wow. Strong but good. Dark chocolate wine. So we just bought the passion fruit wine. You know, have a little celebration tonight. It's gonna be amazing.
Guys, Lori and I are gonna give you samples of the skincare. We are starting. Look at you.
Come on, people, be quiet.
We are starting with antiseptic lip balm.
This is the crater. So those two, they are two of the three biggest volcanoes in the Middle East.
Guys, so we are here in the Syrian border. You guys can see That's Syria right over there. Damascus is actually 60 kilometers away from here. Just pretty amazing. The view here is simply unbelievable. As well, a volcano. There's a volcano right over there. Hey guys, so today was a really good day. I mean, we got to kayak, we went hiking, we saw the Syrian border, and yeah, I mean, I'm just really tired, so I'm probably gonna go to sleep. We need to wake up at 6 o'clock tomorrow. We're leaving the hotel, and we're gonna be heading towards Tel Aviv. Hopefully go to the beach there and see the old city of Yaffo. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.